Alright. I didn't die. I felt like it, but I didn't die. If you saw yesterday's video, you know I was feeling pretty bad. I had way too much caffeine, way too much beta-alanine, and not enough common sense. And that really fucks you up. Trust me. So today's legs, we're having one Ghost energy drink, which is 200 milligrams of caffeine, which is pretty much my cap, honestly, and one scoop of beta-alanine. Hopefully, we don't feel bad. I've got my fingers crossed. The goal for this leg day is to absolutely push it. Oh, man. Mainly on leg press. I feel like we've really got to start grinding out leg press. Really pausing at the top and just holding for like a second minimum. And then I lost my thought. I'm warming up just really quick with 135. You know, I usually okay. I usually do it about a set with 135 to see if I need to be wearing a knee brace. And I'm thinking I do on my right knee, which isn't a problem. It's good to know. That way I'm not under so much weight. And then like, oh shit, I need a knee brace. Just simple knee brace. We're good now. But we're gonna drink a little bit more of this. Tastes great. I don't taste the beta-alanine, just a flat energy drink, which is fine. As long as I'm feeling the beta-alanine soon, which I kind of am already, then that's what matters, I think. Because at least that way I know it's actually, one, working, two, actually beta-alanine. So, freaking dust in this. All right, let's start with our first set of squats. I don't think that was too bad, considering we went from 175 last leg day, which was Tuesday, to just 185 today. We kind of skipped. We usually do 5 pounds every leg day, but this time I was just like, I don't feel like putting on and doing math, so I threw on 45s and 25s to make 185. That felt really good. One thing I gotta do though, gotta get rid of this thing. I gotta get used to not using it. Personal preference, but All right, let's do set 2. Woo! That one felt better. That did. But I think 7 is a good number to be at. Okay, now we're slowing down, but still going strong. We're gonna get 7 again, 8 if we can, but I'm not gonna risk going that far if I don't feel like I could physically handle it. Let's be smart and safe. So last set. We're down a tripod, but if the lift is good, I honestly wouldn't even care if I didn't film this lift. I would still lift. So you're just gonna have to take my word for it when I tell you that that 4th set that was not recorded was 8 reps. You're just gonna have to take my word for it. Whether you believe me or not is your own fault. Not saying that, I mean, I would question it too if I were you. But, I mean, if you pay attention to the other 3 sets, you would know I was very capable of 8. And I believed I was capable, so I did. But nothing can make me go back in time and record that session. I had something come up I had to attend to for a couple minutes. But we are going to be doing some RDLs, and we are going to be straight legging it only, which means when we bend, straight legs, straight back too, hopefully. I think I'm always more worried about my back being straight than my legs when it comes to RDLs, but you know, I think since it's and a lot of people consider it a full body exercise because it activates so many body parts, and I agree to an extent. I think it's more for legs because I'm shaking in the legs doing RDLs. But 205 again, I want to start taking it easy with RDLs, kind of really get the form right, because like, you know how I was bending my legs most of the time. I really want to focus on getting the form correct. So 205, which is 245s, 225s, and 2 10-pound plates on a 45-pound Olympic bar. That's 205 pounds if I did math correctly. Most of this lift may or may not be recorded, but trust, the lift did happen. So I might only record a few sets, and so this may be a shorter video than normal, but like I said, the lift still happened, I still crushed it, and Let's do some RDLs. That was quite honestly a really amazing leg day. I'm not even bullshitting you. Like, that was probably one of the best leg days I've had in a while. A couple things. One, post-workout meal, chicken and rice. I put yum yum sauce this time, so that was a little bit of extra calories, but it was worth it. And second, everyone be safe. This blizzard, I guess, would be a... I don't know if blizzard would be appropriate, but everyone needs to be safe. Everyone needs to make sure that they have some backup heat, warm clothes, etc., etc. So, everybody be safe, and I will see you for push Monday for you. Tuesday, Monday for you. It's on a 1-day delay, so Monday for you and Sunday for me. All right, see you.